soaring 700 meters above the ground. See that winding canal below? That is the Hongqi Canal, a life-saving irrigation project built in the 1960s. To fight the drought, the people of Linzhou spent nearly a decade carving it by hand into the steep Taihang mountain, using only simple tools like hammers and chisels. This remarkable river in the sky has been in operation for 60 years, standing as a testament to their perseverance. The hard work and the determination of the local people became known as the Hongqi spirit, a lasting source of inspiration even today.